Hey everyone, today we're going to be talking about plumbing and plumbing repairs. Plumbing repairs can be costly. Most plumbers will charge a service charge when they come out in addition to parts and labor. And on top of that, our service industries, roofers, plumbers, heating and air, they're hurting for people. And it could cause some delays. If you've got something major going on, this could be a situation where things are going to be delayed. You're not going to be able to use your main kitchen sink. That can cause a major inconvenience. So what you want to do is, first and foremost, make sure you're not putting any fats or acids down your kitchen drain or any drain. Those things are going to clog your drain. And if they do, you're going to need to use something like dishwashing soap and hot water to try to flush that out. Now, I know that a lot of people may think, well, we can just go buy some liquid Drano. Those things have acids, and those can continue to cause future damage to your pipes because there's acids inside of them. So to help eliminate the problem of fats and oils getting in there, I recommend creating an aluminum bowl out of aluminum foil, put it inside of a regular bowl, and if you're making things like burgers or bacon, you can dump the grease into this aluminum cup that you're creating and then let it sit to the side and cool down. And then after it cools down, you can just fold that all up and put it inside your garbage can. If you don't do that, sometimes those things are piping hot and then they can cause a problem by leaking through your garbage can, the bag, and causing a big mess there. In addition, make sure you're not putting things like apple peels, potato peels, carrot peels. Things like that can clog your garbage disposal if you have one. So if you do end up with a clog in your garbage disposal, first and foremost, cut off the power to the garbage disposal. Do not put your hand inside. Get some plastic salad tongs to be able to help pull those things out. Hopefully you can get enough out where that when you turn on the garbage disposal again, it'll grind up what's left and that can flush through. Finally, I want to point out that you should be using a bathtub strainer to make sure that you don't have any hair clogging in your bathtub. Again, if you do end up with clogs like that, you do not want to use Drano. Another option could be going to your favorite DIY center and getting a snake to be able to snake those lines and be able to help push that clog through. So I'm going to include a video to YouTube that has a couple of ideas for help eliminating some clogs. In addition, I want to let you know, please call your plumber, in touch with them if you just can't take care of it yourself. If you don't have a plumber, please reach out to me. I can refer one to you and they will help take care of you. I hope these things are helpful for you. If you have any other further questions, please reach out to me at 419-367-2667, or you can DM me in Instagram and Facebook. Thanks.